JQ week, what week are we? 23. This one's going to be a very short video in the fact that our week is templates. Now, I don't have any notes here because to me, templates, I don't have templates and I don't know people who use a lot of templates. The only thing I can think of that are similar to templates is if I have kept before, you know, when you punch out chipboard, like I had one where it was like an old, I don't remember what company it was from, but it was flowers and I punched out the chipboard. And so I kept the outside chipboard because it was the floral shapes. I kept that as like a template to do like shadows of flower shapes. And then I have stencils. So, and then I have one, I'll show it to you right here. I have it clipped up here. It's like a journaling template. It's a little wider than what I like. It's more for like writing addresses. It is by EK Tools. But I have this pinned right here because it's always right in front of my face. And other templates I would use maybe would be for cut files, but here's where I store my templates. I took a picture of it and I showed you guys, or what they would consider templates and stencils. I showed it to you kind of when we were dealing with paper like many weeks ago, but I just tucked all my stencils into an over the door hanging file folder thing. And I like that because I know where they are. They're literally right behind me, so I can look back and go, Otherwise, if I have stencils that go with the collection, like my Vicky Booten Wildflowers and Honey, I have the stencils for that collection. It's with that collection. So that's what I'm doing. But check out scrapbook.com's lesson for week 23 on what they would suggest by like manufacturer, like style. I guess there's like brass, I don't know, like templates are kind of out of my realm. I don't even know what they would consider a template that's not a stencil, unless that's what they mean. But when I was reading it, it didn't seem like that. It seemed like they were thinking of a whole separate thing. So templates. So instead, since I don't have a lot to talk about, I'm going to show you my haul from Paper Issues. Because it's not huge, but it's some essential things. So Doodlebug just came out with their cute love bug design, which I had gotten, let me show you because it's sitting here. I hadn't got a lot from them, but I got their stamps and the dies that go with it. And I got the Chit Chat love notes, which is essentially ephemera, but it has a lot of sentiments in it because I decided that with my son we were gonna make his Valentine's, because I also got the cards and envelopes, and there's essentially 10 cards with envelopes and then 2 separate just little cards that don't have envelopes. So I was like, well, he has 10 classmates, so perfect, and then teachers and who else. So we're gonna make his Valentine's. We already stamped a bunch of images and things. We are going to die cut them and assemble, and he's going to color in some of these, he tells me, so I got to convince him to do that. So I got that a little while ago. I got that in January as soon as it came out. But then I added, for this shipment, I added the sprinkles and the little lots of love shaped sprinkles, the little hearts, because who doesn't love these? They're in adorable colors. We can put them on the Valentine's and I can use them. I also was thinking I needed some more colors of alphas. And there's a ton in there right now. These are American Craft stickers called Eric. I don't remember what collection they're from, but I like that they were the foam. These are from 2011, so they're super old. But I loved the font and the foam and the size. They're not huge, and you got a lot of letters on there actually. So I got that. I got the indigo and ivy gold because who doesn't love that? I got the pink paisley again and again wood veneer letters because who doesn't love that? I got another set of L Studio puffy letters in red because I love L Studio's puffy alphas. And then I got a bunch of Florence stickers from Bella Boulevard. There's a ton in the shop right now. These colors I just ordered because I wanted some more bright, fun colors instead of just black. And I wanted a simpler white alpha because I have a really scripty one. But I got orange, white, bell pepper, and pickle juice because I have a boy, a lot of green and yellows, and I have a lot of different blue colors, and I got these. So So I got some alphas. I also got, just because I saw these, Pink Fresh Studio, they're Christmas Wish acrylic stickers. I figured they would be good little accents to some things. These are pretty old, I think. Yeah, 2015. But they were in the shop, and I was intrigued. And I have lots of Christmas to do because, let's face it, I've only scrapbooked 2 Christmas pages from this last year and from when my son was born. And he's 6, so that's like 7 more Christmases. So I have a lot of Christmas to do yet, and I have some Pink Fresh, so it would kind of go. So I grabbed those too. I also got me some marshmallow cardstock. Super excited to do cut files and stuff out of this, and also some mixed media. And also I got the Vicky Boutin Premium Mixed Media White Foundations paper, with this really cool thing that I'm totally going to use on a layout as well. Yeah, because who wouldn't? Look at that. That's cool. So yeah, I've got that. So that was my recent paper issues haul. And what we're doing with stencils, or templates, I guess, this week. I will see you next week. Bye.